Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to mint a voucher in Paws. Paws vouchers are unique NFTs that grant you early access to the exciting Paws ecosystem. Think of them as your golden ticket before the main event. You can either trade these vouchers with others or convert them into actual Paws tokens at a later stage. Each voucher holds the value of 300,000 Paws tokens, offering a significant stake in the project. Before you begin the minting process, there are a few essential preparations. First, you'll need a Phantom wallet, which must be connected to the Paws platform and funded with some Solana or Sol to cover transaction fees. Secondly, it's crucial to have at least 300,000 Paws points in your account to be eligible for minting. The minting process itself incurs a small Solana gas fee, typically around 0.005 SOL. Now, let's walk through the minting procedure. Start by visiting the official Paws website and locating the pre-market section. Once there, connect your Phantom wallet to the platform, ensuring a secure connection. The system will then verify your eligibility based on your Paws points. After confirmation, you can initiate the minting transaction. Finally, you will need to approve the transaction within your Phantom wallet, which includes the small Solana gas fee. Congratulations, you've minted your Paws voucher. This digital asset will now appear in the Collectibles tab of your Phantom wallet. You have a couple of options for its use. You can choose to trade your Paws vouchers on the Magic Eden marketplace, allowing you to buy or sell with other users. Alternatively, you can hold onto your voucher and convert it directly into Paws tokens once the token generation event occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.